The market didn't panic today. It didn't celebrate either. But beneath the calm, something important shifted. Today wasn't loud. It was decisive. U.S. markets traded cautiously today, with investors rotating quietly between sectors. Healthcare stocks faced pressure after new signals suggested tighter government reimbursement ahead. When policy shifts hit quietly like this, it's rarely just about one sector. It's about expectations being reset slowly and deliberately. Attention now turns to big technology earnings, with markets watching not just profits, but spending, capital expenditure, AI investment, long-term vision. In this market, companies aren't rewarded for growth alone. They're judged on discipline. How tech spends today shapes market leadership tomorrow. While equities stayed controlled, gold continued to climb, not in fear, but in preparation. Gold holding strength at elevated levels usually means one thing: capital is protecting itself, not because something is broken, but because confidence is selective. In currency markets, the US dollar softened, while attention turned to the Japanese yen. Currency movements like this matter, because they quietly reshape trade, profits, and global capital flows. When currencies move, markets listen, even if headlines don't. Crypto markets remained restrained today. No excitement, no collapse. This phase, calm, compressed, overlooked, has historically preceded major volatility, not driven by hype, but by macro pressure. Across Europe and the UK, regulators and policymakers signaled closer attention to technology, finance, and competitiveness. AI in finance, currency coordination, strategic economic planning. These aren't short-term market stories, they're long-term capital signals. Today wasn't about volatility, it was about positioning. Healthcare adjusted, tech prepared, gold protected, currencies shifted, crypto waited. And when markets behave like this, it usually means the next move is already being planned quietly. Most people notice financial change only when it becomes loud. At Capital Lux, we focus on the signals that arrive in silence. Subscribe for calm, intelligent, daily financial insight before the noise begins.